good. Now etiquette be this. And again, what I want to talk about today. See, I'm not telling you. You get age where girl begin they grow rich. You know, go become enforcer of the law again. You know, go the enforce, you go become her guide. To try to guide her. Because my mama talk say, nobody they look girl begin now. Girl begin they look himself. This one when we say your girl begin go grow for us, you they make her believe say to talk to boy bad. Make it not talk to boy. Make it the only girls. You go lock your girl begin inside the house. Now only girls they come visit her. If you see boy for road, they start to talk to boy in a trouble. The world, there is no world where only girls dey and only boys dey. Now mixed world. You go hold her down, make she no talk, make she no express herself. I beg you. The girls where they call her come visit them as a friend, you know the one where they do for inside. Before you know, inside that house where your daughter dey, they go introduce her into girl and girl thing. You go begin do girl and girl. You go forget man. You go forget say man dey. You go begin do girl and girl. You go enter university. Girl and girl. You go dey happy say my pikin graduate from university o, na virgin. You no know say he not dey follow boy. He not dey talk to boy. You know good. He no good. Later when you don dey get age when girl dey grow reach, she dey as she wan dey aware of boys. Become her guide. Make her fit dey tell you those things. Ah mama see you, this boy talk to me. Wetin you think? You go fit open up, advise her. No tell your pikin say sex is bad. No do am. Most people why they enjoy sex for their marital home today now the ambitions of sex when they don't get right from time when they grow. E bad, na this, na belle, na that. No, tell her say e good but e never reach time when you go do am. When you go do am, you go enjoy am. No try to cover your pikin because when you cover am, put am for all these schools, all these universities where they say boy and girl they talk. NYSC come. NYSC, boy and girl they together, they talk. She go come for that place, go another time. Now she don't get any experience. Now that time men go come, they go deceive her because she no fit talk. She no fit talk to you. She no get anybody that she go talk to. Either that one or she go become the person who say now only girls she like. The world don't change. It not be like before again. When those things they hear them now, they hear them everywhere, everywhere. Man, girl and girl now, boy and boy. I'm not there against people when they do. Don't get me wrong, oh. But instead of you to go push your pikin inside that thing, let them understand everything about life. Discuss life with her, discuss sex with her, discuss boy with her, make he understand everything from inside. Not done too much fasting and prayer. See when that problem comes, fasting and prayer don't work out. Because you get them say become a guide. You know say all those things you deliberately they lock your pikin, go put her for house. Now Angelina will come for you know they go to I don't want to call anything, they walk out about, they go to before you know your pikin go. Did I make you see some people now they don't reach 40 and never married? They don't know how to get relationship, they don't know anything about relationship. What are they talking NSPC? Let your girl child grow normally. Let her understand importance of man, importance of not cage and make it only girl being friend. Because that one too is not safe. Thank you.